Alright, so this is going to be some of the stuff that I'll be liquidating. So the creator set, some dots with minifigures, Transformers, 1996 Joe, original Masters of the Universe, some Marvel Legends, Mickey Mouse plush, Castle Grayskull, Minion in the Box, McFarlane Predator, a couple of 3 3/4 inch, still giant, G.I. Joes. Missing a couple of parts. This is missing the front. I think this is missing 1, 2, 3 of the spinners. This is brand new. This is a R4 G9 bank. It's about 12 inches tall. Very nice. These are all brand new carded pieces. Transformers. That's brand new. That's very big. Superman. Let's see, you got some loose action figures in all conditions. This one is a statue action figure, 10 inches. Hot Wheels, Batman plush, baseball autographed by Jimmy Johns. That's a model kit. That's a 2-pack from Hasbro. There's a couple of more 2-packs, Legends. There's some army pieces. The hoverboard. Back to the Future from Loot Crate. King Kong action figure. Battle hamsters. More action figures. This is pretty good. This is $7 million man, $6 million man. Put this in the projector and it shows on the wall. Dice Compendium. And we have down there, we have some Baby Yoda, Power Rangers, Star Wars, more Scooby-Doo. Missing the door, and I believe it's missing all the weapons and stuff inside. Original Frisbees, couple of them. Okay, this is day 2. I'm going to show you the difference, because what I did is I made 4 mystery boxes. Large mystery boxes that I'm going to sell, and as you noticed the earlier part of the video, there was more new toys on here. A lot of them now are in there, those mystery boxes. Mystery boxes have $110 retail value in them. So this is what I did not put in mystery boxes. And this is, I'm still not sure how I'm going to put these up, to tell you the truth. That's an old ROM piece. That's a 21st century 12-inch figure. I just put him in the G.I. Joe vehicle. Those are G.I. Joe motorcycles. There's the dog. This is for the 3 3/4 inch, and it does have some 12-inch accessories, bullets, weapons, a hat, but that is for the 3 3/4 inch. There's some 3 3/4 inch, a couple of 3 3/4 inch pieces. This is a laser tag unit. More G.I. Joe. This is from 1966. Does not have the Frogman. This is another one. This one's in really sweet condition. The one that's inside there, the fin is broken off, needs to be glued on, and I'm not sure of the motor, but like I said, this one is really sweet. So I'm going to do them together. There's the accessories for it, the tanks, the fins. There's also tanks in the box. These are some Joes, but these range, I'm not sure of the dates, but I looked up a couple, like all these Action Man are from 96, I believe. So these might be the same date. And of course we have some original Masters of the Universe.